is so sexy. Want to buy a perfume for your man? Just be in his scent bubble. If you want to melt all around your man, this is the scent. Michael Kors, Pour Homme, the new Absolute. And to be like, oh, you smell so good. I'm not joking. The top note is like a zesty lemon fresh note, and then the middle note is a lavender, and then the base note is a cedarwood note. So it's essentially woody, ambery, floral, also fresh and lemony. Yeah, you get lemon. I can get lavender now. Start getting cedarwood after a certain point, and boy, oh boy. It's like if a guy doesn't take a shower, but you just give him this perfume, he's still going to give you that impression that you're all clean and sharp just because he wears this perfume. If you have a girlfriend who's confident, who's stylish, who likes putting herself out there, who commands a room that she enters in, this is the perfume that you should buy her. And it's called Michael Kors Pour Femme Absolute. It's a very beautiful composition of fruity, floral and sweet. And with this weather, where it's still quite wintry, I can assure you this perfume will turn heads everywhere. I've always been a gourmand girl. I've always been about marshmallows and pistachios and vanillas. So floral and fruity scents, they don't come easy to me. I'm very particular about them. The top note of this perfume is a juicy pear. So you have like a very lush, sharp, juicy pear note. So after like a few seconds, immediately you start smelling rose in it. So that's your middle note. It's like a very rich, rosy note. I have been so particular about my rose notes in my perfume. This particular one is very sophisticated. It's very charming. And then base note is a vanilla note. Let it sit on your skin. And now I get like pear and rose combined. It's an unbelievable scent. Still, this is definitely not a blind buy. You try it on your skin. Spritz it on your skin regardless of how much you hate it. If you hate it, guys, even when we don't like it, we don't know how we smell to other people. Anytime I wore it, every time, without a doubt, somebody would come and say, you smell really good. Both of them are EDPs. Stays on my sweaters for the longest time. And even when I take a shower, still end up smelling the perfume on my skin. So it's one of those perfumes that stays on really long time. But that's my little thesis about why I like these perfumes, why I vouch for them. I will see you guys next time. Bye.